All right, so as you can see, the car is not behind me. Let me tell you a little story about how I blew up my compressor for my AC in the R8. Honestly, didn't think it was that bad. I'll post some of the photos from the shop on this video. Apparently, the compressor not only broke, the drive shaft shattered and the gears tore apart. So all of the little metal shards, little pieces of metal are all throughout the system. So we're currently getting done the air dryer, the compressor, the condenser, I believe the lines. I mean, it's a bunch. I'm also having the car tuned with the stage 1 tune and maybe deleting cats. So it'll be back early next week. I'm super excited to see how it turns out. And as soon as I get back, I'll have a review for you.